Hello everyone, my name is ASHISH Kumar. I'm from section 18. My roll number is 21NA10013. This is my DIY project 3 and in which I have to disassemble and assemble one household appliances, and I have chose this electrical iron for that. Let's see, is it working or not? So here you can see it is in working mode. So we have seen that this iron is in working condition. Now let's talk what this iron is made up of and what are its different components. So the basic component is sole plate, which is thick and triangular in shape and which is the base of this iron. After that we have pressure plate, which has some holes in it and which is placed above the sole plate. Then we have the heating element. The heating element is present between the sole plate and the pressure plate. It is pressed hard between the two plates. The heating element consists of nichrome wire and which is winded on the mica sheet. Then we have this plastic handle. This handle can be of plastic or metal depending on what kind of electrical iron we are using. Thereafter we have thermostat. Main work is to regulate the temperature of the iron. Then the next part is capacitor. Here, this is inside this electrical iron. This red wire is the main wire which carries the current. There is one black wire which is neutral, and there you can see a green wire also here in the bottom. This green wire is earth wire. Now let's open this handle also. This is the LED light. This handle also came out. It is almost opened, just few more nuts. So this is the disassembled iron. This is the plastic cover. This is temperature regulator, which regulates the temperature. It mainly decreases or increases the amount of current in the heating material so that it gets heated according to it. These are the plastic covers and handles. This is called three-phase cord. This is the main part which regulates. It is connected with this regulator. There I was telling, this is the main phase, red wire, main wire. This black wire which you can see here, it is neutral. This green wire, it is earthed wire, and due to lack of the screwdrivers I'm not able to open this. This has the main part which I told, the sole plate in the bottom, then the pressure plate, and in between this there is a heating material that gets heated coil. This is the disassembled. Now I am going to assemble it. Now let's see, is it working or not. Here we can see it is working. Thank you.